Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing my first ever RC. It's called the Savage X 4.6 Big Block and it's being manufactured by HPI Racing. Some of you might ask why I chose this as my first RC. Well, I did a lot of research and saw good reviews with this brand, plus my brother has this exact Nitro truck. So you only need a Nitro fuel and you'll be able to run this. And without further ado, let's go on with the unboxing. Alright baby, this is one badass looking truck. And I didn't expect it to be this huge. Beside the truck, I can see several bags included. We're gonna check them out one by one, and we're gonna save the best for last, which I know you've all been waiting for. So you may want to skip this part if you're only interested in the truck. So first, let's look at this one. So this is the roto start. Have a closer look. Actually, you know what? Let's open it up. So let me get my scissors, and yeah, so you can see the actual item. So let's put this one over here. Moving on to the next bag, we have here a lot of goodies. I won't open it for now, but I will put the list of items included on the screen so you'll be able to know what's inside the bag. So moving on to the third bag, we have here the nitro fuel bottle, 8 pieces of battery, glow plug igniter, glow plug, an extra set of glow plug, and the battery for the roto start. So let's put that as well here. And this is the actual controller for the truck. Yeah, it looks heavy, looks good. Actually, let's open this up so you can see the actual controller. So this is the actual controller in hand. Well, it looks good. It feels good in the hand. The steering wheel, the actual steering wheel is made of foam, like a foamy material. Well, and this is the on-off switch. Yeah. So let's put this one aside and open the next box or next bag. So we have here, I believe this is the adapter for the battery of the roto start. So let's open it up and check. So yeah, this is the actual adapter. So it also has different kinds of sockets. So I think they added different sockets depending on the country which you live from, because there are different sockets for, I don't know, every region. So yeah. Moving on, so the last item beside the truck is the user manual. Read this first before you start running the truck. You definitely don't want to skip reading the manual. Beside the manual, we have here some stickers. Very cool designs. So yeah, aside from the sticker, we have other manual as well. And here it is, finally, what you've all been waiting for. The actual truck, Savage X 4.6 Big Block. Wow, the play in the shocks is really, really good. So I will shut up now, but before that, please like and subscribe to my channel. Show some love and support. If you have any feedback, please write it out on the comments. And I will also be making a break-in and tune-up video. And if there are any videos you want me to make about Savage X, please write on the comments below. And once again, thank you.